Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Fashion Star Gold. In today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you on how to cut and sew a trendy BUBU dress. It's an off shoulder. So I have my material here. It's Ankara material. It's being folded into two. When you fold it into two, it will give you four pieces. One, two, three, four. So the length of this is 60 inches plus 2 inches allowance. That's 62 inches, a long gown to the floor length. So I'm taking my shoulder measurement here, which is 8 inches. Adding half inch, making it 8.5 inches. So at the tip of this material, I'll come down by 1.5 inches. Then I'll roll a line. So from here, I'll measure the sleeve. The sleeve is going to be a gathered sleeve. So I'm going to measure 18 inches. 18 inches. I'll come here and mark 1 inch here. From this place, I'll measure shoulder to the knee, which is 37 inches. I'll roll a line. So I'm going to measure my hip measurement. The hip is 25 inches. I'll roll a line here. So my hip is 46 inches divided by 4, 11.5 inches. So I'm going to take 11.5 inches here. So I'm adding 1.5 inches. So that's 13 inches here. So I'm going to take it this way. So I'll connect it this way. So I've already drew a line here. I took a quarter of my hip measurement, which is 11.5 plus 1.5 inches here is the same thing I put at the end of it. So I now drew a line. So now I'm going to cut from this shoulder here. Remember that from the sleeve here, I'm going to make a curve from the sleeve here to this 1.5 inch allowance here. Remember, this place is for the sleeve, and the sleeve is going to be a gathered sleeve. So I can cut with my hand. I use a free hand. I can use a free hand, or you can as well use a hip cuff ruler. So I'm through with that. For the sleeve, for the next side of it, I'll measure 5.5 inches. Then I'll connect it to the shoulder, which I measured 8.5 inches. So I'll connect it this way, both back and the front. So I'll connect it this way. So this is the BUBU dress. It's a trendy dress. I want to make a slit at the two sides of it. So the slit I'm going to measure 13 inches from the down, so that I can walk well to enable me to walk. So this is how it looks like. I want to cut it now. So I'm cutting it this way. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Just click on the notification button so that you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you. So I finished cutting. This is the sleeve. I have to gather the sleeve. And this is the neck. I'm going to gather it and attach the band. So I want to cut the band now. This is how it looks like. I've joined the side. See how I join the side? From here, I join it with 3/4 inch all the way to the floor length. I join this other side too. So here I made an opening of 13 inches. I folded it also. I've hemmed the downside of it. So for the neck, I have to gather it. I use a thread and needle. So this is the neck I'm going to use. I gather the neck, the shoulder. This is the shoulder. This is my shoulder. That is what I use for the gathers. I sew this place down to the sleeve level. I sew it down to the sleeve level. Remember that I took 18 inches from here for the sleeve down, so I have to gather it. This is a sleeve. I gather it. I gather this side also. So this is the band for the sleeve. I'll then hold it this way. I'll start from here. I'll sew round. I'll sew it round. Then you can fold it this way and so. Sew one side first. Fold the material. There are two ways to sew it. You sew single, or you can fold it into two. Start from here and sew it. When you finish, you turn this other side of it. Turn it to this other side, the right side of it, and sew on top of it. The same thing applicable to this way. So this is the band for the sleeve. This is the band for the neck. This is the band for the neck. This is how I sew it. I've shown you how I cut it. So this is how I sew it. I sew the two sides of it. Sew this side, I sew this side. Then I'll fold it into two. I'll fold it this way into two. I'll fold this side into two. So it has formed the band already. This is the band for the neck. So I'm going to use 1/2 inch to attach it. I'll attach it here. So that's what I want to do now. So I want to adjust the neck of this BUBU gown, this cowl gown or kaftan gown. I've already fixed it, but I found out that the gathers are not well gathered. So I want to adjust it. I want to have more fullness on the gathers. So I want to measure the shoulder, the full measurement of the shoulder, which is 16 inches. So I'm taking 16 inches this way. This is 16 inches. So if I measure this way, it's still the same thing, 16 inches. So I'll trim it again down to this 5.5 inches that I took. So I want more fullness on the neck. I want it to be well gathered. So this is the adjust. So I want more fullness on the neck. So with this now, I can be able to pleat it, gather it. I'll, I'll have more fullness on the neck now. I want to pleat it very well. And the same thing applicable to the sleeve. I'll pleat the sleeve also. Make it to be 5 inches. Here I'm going to pleat it, and the circumference will be 45 inches. So I want to have more fullness. That's why I adjusted the neck of it. Hello guys, how are you doing today? This is the concluding part of this beautiful cowl gown, maxi gown. As you can see, somebody was telling me that you cannot use Ankara for the band, the neck band. So I've already placed the velvet on it, but I had to remove it and say let me try with this one. So I now use Ankara. I use the same measurement. It's the same measurement. The difference is that this is not stretchy. This is Ankara fabric. So I use the Ankara, the same measurement as I showed you people. So here it is. It is so beautiful. See how neat it is. The finishing is so clean. This is the cowl kaftan. See the gathers here. This is the sleeve. The sleeve, I've pleated the sleeve. This other side is pleated also. This is how the gown look like. I wish you should show your own. Just sew your own. See how neat it is with a neat ironing. With a neat ironing. What is your problem now? I'm talking. This is a slit. You can see how neat it is. It's so lovely. It's so neat. Neat sewing. So try out your own. It's not difficult. If you follow the instruction, you get it very right. Get it right. So this is the outcome of it. This is how it is. This is how it is. See how neat it is. So I wish you should sew your own. Rock it this Sunday. Rock it to church and you will like it. I have the head tie of it. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. What are you waiting for? Subscription is free. You are not paying for it. Just click on the notification button. It will take you and it will inform you when I post any new video. So thank you so much. God bless you. I love you guys. Bye.